Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan is reaching Tirupati in about an hour or two from now at 4 o'clock. After the penance over Tirupati Prasadam, Janasena says 2 lakh strong crowd is to attend this particular meeting. Tirumala's, in fact, SIT has finished the first phase of the probe. SIT officials brief Andhra Pradesh DGP on the 4-day probe. Apurva continues to be with us. Apurva, this looks like a political event where workers of the party are also, in fact, going to be gathering. First of all, is this allowed? Given that a few days ago, Jagan Mohan Reddy was not allowed, it was said that you can't have, in fact, have a political event at the temple.
Well, that's right. Remember, there was a recent order that had been issued by the Andhra Pradesh police in Tirupati, especially in Tirupati districts, where it had prohibited any political party from having any kind of, public rallies or public gatherings there inside the Tirupati city and Tirumala limits as well. Following that, now what we are hearing from senior Janasena party leaders is that police have, refrained from giving permissions for carrying out any kind of processions or any kind of gatherings there, whoever it be. And now what we are getting to know is that the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Pawan Kalyan, is all set to arrive here in Tirupati at around 4 p.m. this evening. He will be directly from the airport going to Alapiri, from where he will take the footpath all the way to Tirumala, 3,550 steps to Tirumala. That's the walkway from, Alapiri to Tirumala there, and he will be taking over that walkway. Remember, Pawan Kalyan is already on his 11-day penance that he started on September 22nd, right after the Tirupati Tirumala Prasadam row had erupted, and he said that not only will there be cleansing of temples there, but he will go ahead and he will take a darshan of Lord Venkateshwara at Tirumala here. And following his statement, now he is also to arrive here in Tirupati, from where he will be going to Tirumala via the footsteps there from Alapiri, and he will be taking Lord Venkateshwara's darshan tomorrow. We are getting to know from Janasena leaders that there are potentially a lot of people who are gathering to try and catch a glimpse of the Deputy Chief Minister and actor turned politician Pawan Kalyan, but with the police who have denied permissions for these kind of gatherings and an order that had been issued, it looks like most likely the Deputy Chief Minister will be going ahead with his plans, albeit some kind of police intervention that is possible.
All right, Apurva, I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us up to speed with those details. We also have a reaction coming in. Let's take a listen.
टीटीडी इश्यू के बारे में पवन कल्याण जी ने प्रायश्चित दीक्षा लिया। वो दीक्षा फिनिश डे इधर करेंगे, तिरुपति में उसको समाप्त करेंगे बोल के हमको बोला है। इसके बारे में उधर तिरुमला में कल पूरा रुक के, तिरुमला में ये लड्डू प्रसादम का किधर काउंटर है, किधर लड्डू कर रहा है और अन्नदान प्रसाद किधर कर रहा है, वो पूरा कल देख रहे हैं। बालाजी कॉलोनी में एक सभा रख रहे हैं, वाराही सभा, उसका नाम है सनातन धर्म बोर्ड, वो फॉर्म करना है और टीटीडी में क्या चल रहा है, लास्ट गवर्नमेंट में क्या हुआ, वो पूरा बात करने के लिए पवन कल्याण जी ने एक बड़ा मीटिंग रखा है, बड़ा मीटिंग।